Hello students, we are going to learn today about quantum computing by the help of a simple analogy, that is the number law analogy. Okay, so this is my attempt to make you understand the principle. What is the principle on which quantum computing works? Easily you will understand. Okay, so let's start. Suppose that this is a number law, okay, and you don't know the code by the help of which it will open. Okay, now you want to find the correct code. With respect to this red line, we have to input the code. Okay, so the strategy will be starting from 0 0 0 0, add 1 each time and then try again, add 1 and then try. So when the correct code will come, the lock will open. Okay, this is what the classical computing approach is, means one by one input is rendered to find the correct solution. Okay, and we can assume that each time when we are inputting the code, the lock is with new state. 0 0 0 0 is one state, 0 0 0 1 is second state. Similarly, suppose say 1 2 4 3, this one more state like this. So each time the lock is changing the state and some state will come at which it will open. Now the same job can be done like this also. See, applying the power of motors, you can see these are the motors and there is a pulley and there is a belt which can spin the wheels in a very fast fashion. In this case, what will happen? The numerals of these wheels will change in a very fast fashion. So the codes will change. The state of this lock will change in a very fast fashion, and fastly the correct code will come and will open. Okay, so this is what the principle of quantum physics. What is the principle? That with respect to this red mark, in case I consider only one wheel, so the numerals 1 to 0 are changing in a very fast fashion. So you can assume that over here the numbers are superimposed on each other. All the numbers 1 to 0 are superimposed on each other, and for each wheel this thing is happening. So this is the reason that the solution comes out fastly. So this is what the principle of quantum computing. So let's summarize that quantum computing uses quantum bits instead of your classical computing, in which only 0 and 1 is used. So it also uses something in between, means 0 and 1 are superimposed on each other. So that is also a bit for quantum computing. So this principle of superposition solves the problem faster, as I told you for this law. So this principle of superposition solves the problems faster, unlike to that of regular computing, in which one by one the inputs are rendered and ultimately finding the correct solution. So the problems like factoring, some problem of factoring is there, or optimization is there, or simulating. Okay, when large amount of inputs are there to find the correct solution, then quantum computing is very much useful. Thank you.